Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what you have to do to record your screen on MacBook. Very easy video, very short video. So let's jump right into this video. Let's start this tutorial. So what you have to do, so here on MacBook, we can actually start recording our screen with, if you use this shortcut, very simple. You have to press Control, Command. So you're gonna have to press on Shift here, Shift, Control, and then 5. Shift, Control, 5. Okay, that's the shortcut. Shift, Control, 5. And all three keys at once. And this then will open the screenshot toolbar. I'm going to show you right now. Here you're going to see options for recording. 5. You can start recording. We have record selected portion, so you can select to record only a selected portion or record the entire screen. Here you also have capture selected portion, capture selected window, or capture entire screen. Then here is very important, you have a couple of options here. Save to, I choose here downloads, and you also have a timer for from 5 to 10 seconds. Then here are some options as well. Show floating thumbnail, remember last selection, and show mouse pointer, which is nice. And now here, what you can here actually have a screenshot here, but I can delete right away, which is fine. But now something here, what we can do here is actually write quick timer. Click on this, and now here you're gonna be able to, if your keyboard is not working, you also start a new recording from here as well. Click on new recording, and now here you also have, you can see to select your microphone. So microphone, you can select here, timer, save to, and other the options. So yeah, this can be very helpful. If your keyboard is not working, you can click on there. So that's the tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.